Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Grapevine. Today we're going to go over how to charge the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQE Sedan. First, unlock your EQE. Then, open the charging flap, and you'll find you have two charging ports. The top one is your AC charger, and it will charge you to full in about 10 to 11 hours. And the bottom one is for DC charging. It will charge you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Take your AC charger, plug it in. You'll be able to hear it lock, and you're good to go. On either side of your charging cable, you'll see some lights. Flashing blue means that you are charging. Solid blue will mean that you are all the way charged. White will mean that the charger is unlocked. Orange will mean that you are initiating a charge. And red means that there is an issue with the charging. When your EQE has finished charging and you want to unplug the charging cable, first just press the unlock button. You'll hear it unlock and the lights will turn white. Then pull the trigger and unplug the charging cable. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to our team at Mercedes-Benz of Grapevine.